Do you know what is the most easiest way to manifest? It's the old school way. It's the prayer. You know why? Because all the manifestors had some kind of inspiration, some something they want to solve, something bigger than them they wanted to solve. And the word inspiration, we think it's motivation or something, but the real meaning of inspiration, it comes from the Latin word inspirare, which literally means breathe into. So it meant like divine is breathing in ideas through you, divine is breathing in, you're getting divinely guided. That's what it meant. And it's no wonder why all the manifestors also believed in something bigger than them. They prayed to a supreme power, no matter what they called. So I think instead of manifesting or instead of chasing things, I think we all should go back to the old school way, which is praying and connecting towards divine, so we all will know our true purpose in the life. We all are this puzzle into this universe, big tapestry, and we all have a different roles to play. If that one puzzle is out of that tapestry, we will never be able to finish that puzzle. And that is why it's important that we understand our unique role, and for that we need to be divinely inspired, as the literal word said, inspirare. So let God breathe into us. Let's go all the way, start manifesting using praying.